Hello, my dear students. I am ABM Moinul Islam, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Raju Gutra Model College. Today, I will discuss on exercise 9.2 of General Math. And today, at first, I will discuss about the question, and that is find the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. That is, there are 6 trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, and cosec, sec, cot. So at first we will find out the values of sine 30, then cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30, and cot 30. And then also we will find out these all 6 trigonometric ratios of angle 60 degree. So at first we start the proof of these two at a time, and to prove this at first we draw a figure. You can see that here angle XOZ, this angle is 30 degree. We draw this angle is equal to 30 degree, that is angle XOZ is equal to 30 degree. Now on OZ we consider a point P, and from point P we draw PM perpendicular on OX. Here PM is perpendicular on OX, and now we extend PM up to Q such that this PM is equal to MQ. Now we join OQ and we extend it up to Z prime. So if now I want to see this in your book, and this is the solution, the trigonometric ratio of the angle 30 degree and 60 degree. So at first I describe the figure, and here let angle XOZ is equal to 30 degree, and P is a point on OZ. What I said earlier, let us draw PM perpendicular to X, that is PM perpendicular to X, and extend PM up to Q such that PM is equal to MQ. Add O comma Q and then extend it to Z prime. Okay. Now at first we will prove that triangle POQ is an equilateral triangle, and to prove this at first we will show that angle POM is equal to angle MOQ. If we can prove these two angles are equal, then we can also say that this angle is 30 degree. So therefore this whole angle is 60 degree. And again you can see that this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Okay. So finally we will be able to prove that triangle POQ is an equilateral triangle. So okay, so at first our target is to prove these two angles, that is angle POM and MOQ, these two angles are equal. And to prove this we will prove that triangle OPM and OQM, these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so we can write in right angle triangle OPM and triangle OQM. Sorry, here right angle triangle will not here, because we know if two right angle triangles are congruent, in that case we need two hypotenuse must be equal and other one side is equal. So in these two figures you can see that hypotenuse OP and OQ, but there is no any proof so that OP and OQ are equal. So we are not able to use these properties. So now we go for in triangle OP and OMQ. You can see that here PM is equal to MQ. PM is equal to MQ. PM and MQ are equal, and OM are common. That means OM is equal to OM. And in included angle OMP is equal to included angle OMQ is equal to 90 degree. We know that if in two triangles two sides are equal, that is here PM and MQ are equal and OM are common, so two sides are equal in these two triangles, and their included angle PMO and angle QMO, these two are also equal. So if two sides and their included angle is equal, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So now we can say that triangle OPM congruent triangle OQM. Okay. So now we can say that angle POM, this angle is equal to angle QOM is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now we can write angle POQ. POQ is equal to angle POM plus angle QOM. You can see that angle POM and angle QM, if we add these two angles, then we get total angle POQ. So we can write 30 degree plus 30 degree, so it becomes 60 degree. Again angle OPQ is equal to 60 degree. So we can say that triangle OPQ. So we can say that triangle OPQ is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. And if this triangle are equilateral, then we can say that OP is equal to MQ. OP is equal to MQ. OP is equal to PQ. OP is equal to PQ. And here PQ can be written as PM plus MQ. Here PM and MQ are equal. We draw like this: PM is equal to MQ. So instead of MQ, we can write also PM. So we get twice PM. So finally we get PM is equal to half of OP, that is OP is equal to twice PM. Now if we consider PM is equal to A, so therefore OP is double, so OP becomes 2A. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, we will find out the value of OM. Okay, we will find out the value of OM. So next we can write let PM, this PM is equal to A. So therefore we can write OP is equal to twice A. Okay. Now in right angle triangle, right angled triangle OPM, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write OM square plus PM square is equal to OP square, or OM square is equal to OP square minus PM square. So if we put the value, OP means 2A whole square minus PM means A square is equal to, we can write 3A square. Then finally we get OM is equal to root 3A. Okay, OM is equal to root 3A. So we can write here OM is equal to root 3A. Okay. So now I want to hold some moments on this page so that you can take a screenshot. So I want to hold on this for some moments. Okay, so now you can take a screenshot. So I think you take a screenshot. Okay. Now I want to go at next page. Now I want to show the figure from your book. That is, this is our figure in triangle OPM. We consider PM is equal to A, and therefore OP is equal to 2A, and according to Pythagoras theorem we find out the length of OM, and this is root 3A. Now we know formula. Now we can write in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle OPM. This is right angle triangle OPM, and in this figure sine 30 degree. We know if we consider this angle as acute angle, so this is 30 degree, so therefore its opposite side PM is perpendicular. Okay, here PM is perpendicular, so therefore OM is base, and remaining side, that is OP, is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. And you know the formula, sine 30 means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we can write sine 30 is equal to perpendicular means PM and divided by OP. So sine 30 degree is equal to PM divided by OP. The value of PM is A and OP is twice A, so sine 30 is equal to finally half. Similarly, cos 30 we know cos 30 formula is base divided by hypotenuse. So here base is OM, so cos 30 is equal to OM by OP. Here OM is root 3A and divided by OP means 2A, so finally A cancelled, we get root 3 by 2. Therefore tan 30 is equal to perpendicular by base, so this is 30, this is acute angle, so its opposite side is perpendicular, so here we can write PM divided by base means OM. So tan 30 is equal to PM divided by OM is equal to PM means A and OM means root 3A. A cancelled, finally we get 1 by root 3. Now cosec 30, we know cosec means 1 by sine, that is cosec is opposite of sine. So if sine is PM by OP, so cosec will be OP by PM. So you can write following this formula, just opposite of this, so we can write OP by PM. OP by PM means 2A by A is equal to 2. Similarly, sec 30 degree, sec 30 means opposite of cos, so its opposite OP by OM. OP by OM, that means 2A divided by root 3A, so its value will be 2 by root 3. Last of all, cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree means cot 30 means 1 by tan 30, so that is it will be OM by PM. Cot will be OM, just opposite of tan, OM by PM. OM means root 3A and PM means A, so finally it becomes root 3. So just we have finished the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree. We know there are 6 trigonometric ratios, and the 30 degree of these 6 trigonometric ratios are these. So these are the values. Now if we go for trigonometric ratio of 60 degree, this is trigonometric ratio of 30 degree, and then if we go for trigonometric ratio of 60 degree, so again we can write in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, so same figure, OPM, in right angle triangle OPM, You can see in this figure, this angle is 60 degree. So if this angle is acute angle, so its opposite side, that is now OM is perpendicular. So in the same figure, if we consider this angle, that is sine 60, that is if theta is this angle, then its opposite side, that is OM is perpendicular, and now PM is the base, and remaining side OP is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So we know the formula, sine 60 degree means perpendicular, numerator is perpendicular. So again we can see this figure, this is 60 degrees, so here perpendicular is its opposite side, that is OM. So we can write OM by OP. Sine 60 is OM by OP. Okay, so the value of OM is root 3a, and here OP is 2a. So finally we get root 3 by 2. Now cos 60 degree is equal to base by hypotenuse. Again this is 60 degrees, so here base is PM. So formula is PM by OP. PM means A by 2A is equal to half. Now tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. So here perpendicular is OM and base is PM. OM by PM. That means OM is equal to root 3A and PM is equal to A. So finally we get root 3. Now cosec 60. Cosec 60 degree. We know cosec is the opposite, that is 1 by sine 60. So its opposite OP by OM. It will be OP by OM. So by following this, you can write 2A by root 3A. That means 2 by root 3. Therefore sec 60, which is the opposite of cos, so its formula will be, this is cos, OP by PM. OP by PM. Here OP is 2A and PM is A, so it becomes 2. Last of all, cot 60 degree. Last of all, cot 60 degree, and cot is the opposite of tan. So we can write PM divided by OM is equal to A by PM means A by OM means root 3A. Finally AA cancelled, we get 1 by root 3. So second one is the trigonometric ratio of 60 degree and first one is the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree. So if the requirement is find the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree, then up to this will be answered. And if the question is find the trigonometric ratio of 60 degree, then at first you write all this, that is all these are same, but in that case we drop this 30 degree, then you will write this one, and up to this it will be the answer. Okay, and from book you will read the trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Here is 45 degree. Just in this case you will write, you will draw a 45 degree angle, that is angle X, so that is 45 degree. Then we consider any point P on OZ, and from point P you will draw perpendicular PM on OX. Here you can see that this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 45 degree, so therefore automatically this angle is also 45 degree, that is these two angles are equal. So therefore PM and OM are also equal. So therefore you will consider PM is equal to A, then automatically OM is also A. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, you will find out the value of OP. I want to see in your book. So like this, according to Pythagoras theorem, you will get OP, and then you apply formula. Sine 45 degree means this is 45 degree, so sine 45 perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is PM by OP. Then like this, putting these values, you will find out the value of sine 45. Similarly, you will get the value of cos 45 degree, then tan 45 degree. Similarly, cosec, sec, and cot 45 degree also. Okay, so that is the end of trigonometry ratio of angle 45 degree. Okay, my dear students, no more today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please stay at home and be safe. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.